In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share sound on Zoom. If you've ever tried to play a video or demo music during a meeting and others couldn't hear it clearly, this is exactly what you need. Sharing sound ensures the audio from your computer goes directly into the meeting, so participants hear clean, consistent sound instead of what your microphone picks up. Start by joining the Zoom meeting as you normally would. Wait until you're fully in the meeting window, and make sure your internet is stable and your computer volume is set to a comfortable level. If others are speaking, it's a good idea to let them know you'll be sharing audio so everyone's on the same page. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Share Screen button on the toolbar. On desktop, it's usually a green button centered along the bottom of the Zoom window. Click it to open the sharing panel. If the button is disabled, the host may need to enable screen sharing for participants, so a quick heads up to the host can resolve that. In the sharing panel, find the option labeled Share Sound. It's typically a small checkbox or toggle near the bottom of the window. Turn it on. This tells Zoom to capture your computer's audio and send it into the meeting. Without this, people will only hear whatever your microphone catches, which often sounds distant or uneven. Next, choose what you want to share. You can pick your entire screen, a specific application window, or a particular browser tab. If you're playing a video from a browser, selecting that browser window or tab helps keep the focus tight and prevents distractions. If you plan to switch between multiple apps, choosing your entire screen might be simpler. Before you share, it's smart to close any personal notifications or unrelated windows to avoid interruptions. When you're ready, click Share. Zoom will switch to the shared view, and your computer audio will now be heard by everyone in the meeting. Play a quick sample, like a second or two of a video, to make sure the volume is comfortable for participants. If others mention echo, mute your microphone while the audio plays to prevent feedback. You can still unmute briefly to speak between clips. That's all there is to it. Join the meeting, click Share Screen, turn on Share Sound, select what you want to show, and click Share. With these steps, your audience will hear exactly what you're hearing, clearly and reliably.